Alright, here I am with Mr. Bay walking on the wooden ramp deck and no shoes. See? He's got his sexy feet showing. Mine are muddy and look at that.
Yeah.
Super white. I don't think anybody has feet whiter than mine. But it's very beautiful out here, very peaceful. We took lots of photos. We walked around part of the perimeter of basically a peninsula for the reservoir. And we looked at a memorial for all the displaced homes back in 1980 when they filled this reservoir. 26,000 people, something like 4 or 5,000 homes. 5 little towns, I think, had to displace. But it's an important water source, right, Mr. Bay? 중요한 물.
Yeah, so important.
예. 한국말로 어떻게 말하는지 몰라요.
아,
중요한 물 source.
예, 상수원.
상수원.
예, 상수원.
Mr. Bay speaks Korean better than I do.
Yeah, he speaks English better than me.
It's fair, I guess.